Top old sports. So tonight, let's talk about The Great Gatsby, a movie based on Francis Scott Fitzgerald's classic novel. So, by the way, this story takes place in the 1920s, of course, full of parties, jazz, luxury, and our narrator is Nick Carraway, who just moved to Long Island. His neighbor is Gatsby, Jay Gatsby, a rich guy who loves to throw big parties, but the reason is not to have fun, guys, but to win back his past lover na si Daisy. But the problem is si Daisy kay minyo na. She's already married to Tom. Si Tom nga rich pod but unfaithful. So, mao to guys. Actually, Nick became the bridge between Gatsby and Daisy because si Nick Mangood, he is a cousin of Daisy and Nick is a neighbor of Gatsby. And Gatsby already planned it all, Jude. Even ang iyang gipuy-an, kung asa nagpuyo si Daisy, across the bay, he's always looking at the green light, kay maora ang iyang way para kanang mag-still hold Jude's hope nga magbalik sila ni Daisy. So, mauto, by the way, pag-reunite ni Gatsby and ni Daisy, ended up Tom and Daisy both cheated with each other talaga. And then I think the only thing that I can share about this movie is how it portrays the society, the reality gali na. Because si Nick Manggod is pobre. He's not rich, Jude. So, and his neighbor is Gatsby, nga dato, nga ang iyang balay is murag palas. I mean, dili murag, palas jud ang iyang balay. Kay he build all those things for Daisy jud. Kay ganahan siya nga kung maging sila na jud ni Daisy, magsettle na sila for good, is mahatag na niya ang tanan. But sadly, is dili na natinuod, dili na natuman nga iyang pangandoy kay si Daisy nagpakasal naman while he was building a future for them. So that's very sad. And then, so going back to the portray things sa society sa movie is sa social status gali since mauto. I can remember in the movie nga in the New York there's a lot of laborers, daghan laborers dito nga nagtrabaho ka ng construction bitaw kanang magkuan sila sa kalsada. And then grabe na jud like hugaw na jud kay ilang panit like as in. But makita nimo dito the rich people, mag-drive-drive ra silang nindot nga sakyanan, and then ang mga sand, ang mga kanang mga hugaw magluparan na niya maadto sa mga laborers which is ang mga pobre. So makita jud dito unsa jud ka tinuod ka powerful ang mga dato no. Like even in the movie si Nick may mag-look up ni Gatsby, but I'm not telling you guys na si Gatsby is a kanang bad guy kay rich yan. No, 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 dili. What I mean is in the reality, just like how Nick Haraway always look up to Gatsby from Gatsby's house nga taas kayo. Inana po in reality, the poor people always look up to rich people, jud, most of the time. Nga naman, because they have no choice. We have no choice. Kay we are under by them tungod sa atong income baron. And then, I think nowadays, it's really important to be knowledgeable about these things, no? So, me as an English major, I highly recommend Jude nga to explore in literature and this kind of things and issues that needed to be talked and tackled gali kay it's very useful. So, I actually regretted a bit nga wala ko nagbasa at first kay need naman jud kayo siya mahibala ng storyline tomorrow kay exam na mo. But I'm pretty sure nga ako ni basahon jud sa book kay na naman sa ko'y libro. So, I hope guys nga na-ignite ra pud ang inyong interest sa The Great Gatsby. So, alright guys for tonight, for napping session tonight. Bye!